After the ordeal of lesson 48, lesson 49 is a nice short one, so it should be a lot easier for you to do. I guess it is antanum brira, the verbal noun, a particular use of the verbal noun with egg, so it's replacing the English ing form of the infinitive, I guess. So eg fiech, hunting, eg shul, walking, and so forth. Now, some of them don't take an object, and that's fine. Eg shul, tam eg shul. You don't walk a thing, right? I guess you could walk a dog, but that doesn't really work here. But other ones definitely take an object. So eg ancient what? What are you telling? Eg ancient scale. So what happens in these cases is the object of the verbal noun with the egg in front of it is in the genitive case. So scale, ifada al, becomes scale with an il in the genitive case. And in the plurals, of course, you have the eclipsis or the n before a vowel. So they give you an example: Vishe eg knusach nanul, gathering of the apples, gathering the apples. He was gathering the apples. So they give you a bunch of examples. And of course, you can see the possessive pronouns behave just like possessive pronouns. The last example they give you is Tashi Muna Amik. She's teaching her son. So Mak becomes Mik in the genitive case. So this is good practice for your genitive case. And just remember that this happens. Now, what they don't tell you in this chapter is that if the noun is qualified with an adjective, it does not go into the genitive case. That is a secret you must learn from the other grammar books. Vishe eg kyanach ti. He was buying a house. Vishe eg kyanach chach mor. He was buying a big house. One of those things they catch you on. So practice, practice, practice. Lots of examples here to go over. Lots to remember all the genitive forms that you have. And this is important. And just remember that other little rub, though. It's not 100% true. If there's an adjective qualifying the noun, it actually doesn't go into the genitive case. Slán go fóill.